Good morning, students. Welcome back. Online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NBGEI AVM School, Geetapura, Unnao. Class 11th. Subject Political Science. Book 1. Indian Constitution at Work. Chapter 1. The Philosophy of the Constitution. Students, previous video I describe you about the philosophy of the Constitution, and now today I describe you about the objective of the Indian Constitution. Objective of the Indian Constitution, students, the preamble. Preamble means prastavna. The preamble also outlines the objective of the Constitution. These objectives are as justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, unity and integrity of the nation. Students, we learn these points now one by one. Justice. The preamble solemnly declares the resolve of the Constitution to secure to all the citizens justice, social, economic and political. Liberty. Students, a citizen requires various freedoms for the fullest development of his personality. Thus, the preamble assures to every citizen liberty of throughout expression, belief, faith and worship. These freedoms have been guaranteed to all the citizens by fundamental rights given in the Constitution. Fundamental rights given in the Constitution. Students, equality. The preamble speaks of equality. The preamble speaks of equality of status and opportunity. Equality of status. Equality of status means all are equal in the eyes of law. Equality of status means all are equal in the eyes of law and all have equal protection of law. And all have equal protection of law. Nobody can be discriminated against only on the basis of his religion, caste, creed, color or sex. The Constitution also offers equality of opportunity. Equality of opportunity in matters relating to appointment under the state untouchability. Under the state untouchability has been abolished and all titles except those of academic or military distinction have been abolished in Article 18. Students, fraternity. The preamble inherits the objective of fraternity also. In a country like India, where due to long period of slavery, differences had developed among the people on the basis of religion, caste and language, etc. The factor of fraternity among all sections of the people becomes all the more important. More important for the purpose of ensuring dignity of the individual. All the citizens have been equal fundamental rights. That's all. Thank you.